From the standpoint of either a shareholder or a company employee, one financial statement of Amazon.com is of great importance. This is the Consolidated Statements of Operations. This reports the company's net income each year on December 31st. This year-end total shows the excess of total revenues over the annual total expenses. All companies strive to show an increasing net income amount each year because that states that a profit has exceeded the expenses that are incurred. In 2008, Amazon.com reported a net income of $645 million. 2 years later, they had increased this total to $1.15 billion at the end of 2010. This is approaching a 200% increase in net income. When reviewing the Consolidated Statements of Operations, the operating expenses account is divided up into many different categories. These include cost of sales, fulfillment, marketing, and technology, to name a few. However, one expense item is on average 4 times larger than all the other operating expenses combined. This is cost of sales. During this semester, we have come to know this account as cost of goods sold, which is defined as the cost of Amazon.com's inventory sold to customers each year. Amazon states that their cost of sales mainly involves the purchase price of goods and services sold, but also the fees incurred from shipping and packaging. In 2008, Amazon had a cost of sales of nearly $15 billion and ended 2010 with $26.5 billion. When comparing Amazon.com to its competitors, eBay is one of the typical comparisons. But both were started around the same time and compete for the online product market. However, there are also certain differences. For instance, eBay employs about 28,000 people, whereas Amazon employs upwards of 70,000. When relating financial statements, there are both similarities in figures but also major differences. Net income for eBay the year end of 2010 was $1.8 billion, which is very comparable to Amazon. But on the other hand, total operating expenses were almost 6 times smaller with eBay, with a total of $4.5 billion. In conclusion, my research has found that Amazon.com has been gaining ground in the online market race. Its stable platform advantages in sale price, shipping, and feedback has shown that many families and businesses prefer what Amazon has to offer.